Hello and welcome back again to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing good. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If this is your first time of being here, hi, you're highly welcome. My name is Victoria. Do make sure to stick around to the end and I know you're going to enjoy it. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. God bless you all. So guys, today we are having baked chin chin and it really turned out so great. Usually I fry my chin chin, but today we did a different thing, okay? And it turned out great. So first thing first is to add your flour. I'm using 4 cups of flour. Make sure to sieve it out to take off any lump. Add your nutmeg and 1 spoon of baking soda and then add your milk. This is powdered milk. Mix it like so, okay? So now I'm going to go in with 2 eggs and 3 spoons of honey. If you have sugar, you can use sugar as an alternative to honey, but I prefer to use honey. And then you add your butter and mix properly together. So while you're mixing it and you feel like your dough is a bit hard, you can add either water or milk. Here I'm adding a little bit of milk like so, and I'll continue to mix until I get a fine dough. Keep watching, guys. So now I'm going to dust my working space with a little bit of flour like so, and I'm going to knead this dough a little bit more before we start to cut our chin chin in smaller sizes. So guys, if you watched up till now, thank you so much. That means you've been enjoying it so far. And if you haven't subscribed yet, this is the best time to subscribe to my channel to be a part of this beautiful family, okay? And don't forget to turn on your bell notification so that anytime I upload a video, you will be one of the very first to get notified. Thank you so much. And also, don't forget to give me a like, comment, tell me what you think about this recipe, and share, okay? So now I'm going to flatten the dough and I'll start to cut this in smaller sizes. When it comes to cutting, you can use knife, you can use any sharp object, but today I'll be using pizza cutter to shape my chin chin, and it really turned out so good. Keep watching, guys. thank you guys so much for watching up till now. If you did get to this stage, you are the best. You deserve an award, okay? So now our chin chin is all finely chopped and it's looking so beautiful already. And here I'm simply applying butter on top of it so that it will give it a very good golden brown color. And after then I'll go ahead and pop this into the oven and bake at 160 degree for 15 minutes or so, but keep watching it, okay, to avoid it getting burnt. So guys, this is the final look. It is looking so delicious. This is just mouth watering, I tell you. It's not hard. I like the fact that it's on the softer side, probably because of the butter. It is so delicious, guys. Try this at home and I know your family is gonna enjoy this. This is a typical chop one, chop two. I really enjoyed baking my chin chin. I think it is more healthier option compared to, you know, the usual frying. Okay. Yeah, but I still love the original ones, the frying bit. But I think I'll be making this more often. Thank you guys so much for watching up till now. I do appreciate you all. Don't forget to give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are here too. And I'm going to see you all in my next one. Take care. Keep walking by faith. See you later. Bye.